This tutorial shows how to add a trailer to your YouTube channel to engage new visitors. You will learn to navigate the customization settings and select a trailer video effectively. Click the customization option in your YouTube Studio dashboard to begin editing your channel's appearance. Click the Home tab within the customization section to access the area where you can add or change your channel trailer. Click the designated area to manage your channel trailer video settings and prepare to update the trailer. Click the Change Video button to open the selection menu for choosing a new trailer video for your channel. Click the appropriate option to select the video you want to set as your channel trailer from your available uploads. Click the Confirmation button to save your new trailer video and update your channel's homepage presentation. You have successfully added a trailer to your YouTube channel by navigating through customization settings and selecting a new video. This trailer will help introduce your channel to new visitors effectively.